Apparently, Samsung is hastening the launch of its next top-of-the-line, the Galaxy S21, and recent news suggests that the phone could be released this year. The news comes from the homeland of Samsung, and its sources are people linked to the component supply chain. According to rumors, mass manufacturing of the main components of the Galaxy S21 will start as early as November, about 6 weeks before it usually happens. All of this points to an early launch, which may indicate that Samsung's upcoming top-of-the-line should debut sooner than expected. The drop in sales of smartphones this year may have been one of the reasons behind this supposed acceleration of the launch, and lower than expected commercial results with the Galaxy S20 and Note 20 lineup would also be another aggravating factor. Apparently, neither the newly launched Galaxy S20 FE managed to give the South Korean enough momentum. So, a surprise launch at the end of the year would be Samsung's strategy to win the spotlight, especially after Samsung's main rival Apple has already put all its cards on the table with the recently announced iPhone 12 series. The problem is related to the Snapdragon 875, which has not yet been made official and possibly will only be marketed from next year. But that does not prevent the South Korean from launching versions only with its own chipset. One thing is certain, if the successor of the Galaxy S20 really arrives in the coming weeks, the number of leaks involving the upcoming top-of-the-line will be even greater. So let's keep our eyes open for what's new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.